This video is going to show how to use placement grids in OrCAD X Capture. When starting a schematic design, it's important to note how fine the component placement grid is to ensure proper component connectivity. It's also important to ensure that all components snap to the grid, since having the grid off will increase the possibility of misconnections between components. Start by opening OrCAD X Capture. To configure default grid settings for new designs, select Options, Design Template from the menu. The Design Template window opens. Here you can configure all default settings for new designs, such as font, title block, hierarchy, and more. Grid spacing is adjusted in the Page Size tab. Select the tab from the top of the window. Here you can define design units and the size of the page. Grid spacing is defined as pin-to-pin spacing. Enter 0.05 inches for the pin-to-pin spacing to create a finer grid. Click OK to save the settings and close the window. Let's create a new design with the finer grid. To create a new design, select File, New, Project from the menu. The New Project window opens. To create the design locally and not use PSpice, uncheck Enable PSpice Simulation and use Workspace. Select the ellipsis, then browse for a location to save the file and click Select Folder. Click OK to create the project. A blank schematic page opens. With the schematic open, let's make the grid dots a bit more visible. To do this, select Options, Preferences from the menu. Select the Colors Print tab if it is not already open. Colors for all features in the schematic design are listed here. Click the color space for grid. Choose a color that contrasts from the schematic canvas. In our case, we'll choose black. If running Capture in the dark mode, choose a lighter color. Click OK to save the settings and close the window. The grid markers now have a stronger contrast. Grid snapping can be disabled to draw shapes or diagrams in a schematic page with finer dimensions than that of the grid itself. To turn off grid snapping, click the Snap to Grid button from the toolbar. The toolbar icon changes to a single grid space. Let's test by creating a polyline. Select Place, Polyline from the menu. Click to start drawing the line. While it's possible to get the points close to the grid markers, they don't automatically snap as they would with grids enabled. Select Snap to Grid from the toolbar again. The icon turns into a grid with a magnet, indicating that snapping is active. The polyline snaps to the grid markers. Press Escape to detach it from your cursor and draw whatever was placed. Grid snapping should always be used when placing components or routing wires to ensure that they connect properly. Use placement grids to ensure a neat and connected schematic with OrCAD X Capture. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eva.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.